Hi, this is Brian B, the Asian Persuasion Magician, and I am going to be the entertainment for you tonight, or today, depending on where you are in the world right now. So this is the advanced social media marketing strategies for picking up clients online, and this is the step-by-step for training. So what are you going to learn? Well, by the end of this training, you're going to get the step-by-steps for picking up clients with social media. And in this case, we're going to be talking about Reddit, which is niche forums, Facebook groups, and with YouTube. And you're also going to learn the API framework for picking up clients online. So by putting this framework into use, you're going to be able to sell without being pushy. In other words, you're going to be able to invite pursuit from your clients. And we're also going to be looking at examples and case studies of these strategies being put into use. And we're going to see exactly how they produce the results. Okay, so the bottom line here is you're going to get the step-by-step roadmap for picking up clients with social media without the overwhelm or these complex procedures like buying Facebook ads and all this other complex stuff. Here's a quick preface though. You can produce results really quickly with these procedures I'm about to show you, meaning that you can put it into work after finishing this video and you can expect results in 1 to 2 days. However, I will say that this process is challenging to implement. It requires you to actually provide legitimate value to your clients instead of just doing these tactics like installing a plugin and pressing this social button to get results. Okay, so it does produce results quickly, but it is challenging. Okay, so let's talk about this for a moment. Who is this for and who is it not for? If you are a coach or consultant who's just getting started and you are looking for clients online, then this is going to work for you. And if you are a freelancer who's using social media strategies to land new projects, this is for you as well. Now, if you are a startup or if you're handling the marketing side of a startup and you're looking to sell your services online, then this is potentially for you as well. So this is not for business opportunity seekers. It's not for spammers. And if you are part of an MLM, I mean, it might work for you, but probably not directly related to your field. Okay, so the advice that we're not going to cover in this tutorial, we're not going to talk about things like post a lot, like schedule your post at 10:30 a.m. on Mondays or doing all these Facebook 101 basics. We're not going to talk about how to get more likes on your Facebook page because frankly, you can't really take likes and cash it in at the bank for money. We're not going to be talking about widgets. We're not going to be talking about apps. We're not going to be talking about these cool social tools. And we're not going to be talking about advice like be authentic or join in the conversation. This is what I call fairy tale advice. It sounds nice and it's fun to implement, but they don't really work that well.